no? So, PRRD is a magician. I've worked with him talaga, and it's really amazing. PRRD is really amazing kasi, so what I'm seeing right now, and this is what I think will happen, no? We're being given the opportunity because of what's happening with PRRD, because of his stature. Now there's that opportunity to unmask the CPP in the international forum. And then number two, we're gonna get rid of Bongbong Marcos because of what he's done to PRRD. And number three, we're gonna get rid of that ICC because it's very
Yeah,
clear now how rotten they are. So given all the
correct.
opportunities to destroy all these three, no? Lalo pa yung kay Marcos kasi talagang hindi yan bawal sa batas to be saying what I'm saying because he's an immoral leader, he's a magnanakaw. No, for him, no, kasi we're talking about lofty concepts like the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, but for him, these are just pieces of paper that he pisses on. Ganyan talaga ang ginagawa. Siya pa ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas, no? Yan, siya ang number one na violator ng mga konstitusyon at mga batas ng Pilipinas. No, so, it's a moral obligation. Marcos, mag-resign ka or kakalad ka rin ka namin palabas sa Malacanang.